slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. I know a man, he came from my hometown. He wore his passion for his woman like a thorny crown. He said, Dolores, I live in fear. My love for you is so overpowering, I'm afraid that I will disappear. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. And I know a woman became a wife. These are the very words she uses to describe her life. She said a good day ain't got no rain. She said her bad days when I lie in bed and think of things that might have been. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. And I know a father who had a son. He longed to tell him all the reasons for the things he'd done. He came a long way just to explain. Kissed his boy as he lay sleeping, then he turned around and headed home again. He slip sliding, slip sliding away. You know the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. God only knows, God makes his plan. The information's unavailable to the mortal man. We're working our jobs, collect our pay. Believe we're gliding down the highway when in fact we're slip sliding away. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. Mama Pajama rolled out of bed and she ran to the police station. When the papa found out, he began to shout and he started the investigation. It's against the law. It was against the law.
Number one at 3/4 today. Number one.
Every time my name gets mentioned. The papa said, oh, if I get that boy, I'm gonna stick him in the house of detention. Well, I'm on my way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm on my way. I'm taking my time, but I don't know where. Goodbye, Rose, is the queen of Corona. See me and Julio down by the schoolyard.
Another two, Jack.
I see me and Julio down by the
Little bit.
schoolyard.
Number 2. Good color. That's a baby. But that's my number 3, and he's a baby.
Now when the radical preach come to get me released, we is all on the cover of Newsweek, and I'm on my way. I don't know where I'm going, I'm on my way. I'm taking my time, but I don't know where. Goodbye to Rose, the queen.
Number 1 for Linda. We're on the babies. That's all we found here.
See me and Julio down by the schoolyard. See me and Julio. When I was a little boy, the devil called my name. I say now, who do you think you're fooling? I'm a consecrated boy, singer in a Sunday choir. Oh, my mama loves me, she loves me.
Getting better.
She get down on her knees.
Number 4. That small water charger smoking gold.
She rocked me like the rock of ages. Love me.
Thank you.
She loved me, loved me, loved me, loved me. When I was grown to be a man, and the devil would call my name. Say now, who do you think you're fooling? I'm a consummated man. Snatching in purity, my mama loves me.
Number
She
5.
loves me. She get down on her knees and hug me. Oh, she loved me like a rock. She rocked me like the rock of ages. Oh, love me. She loved me, loved me, loved me, loved me. And if I was the president, the minute the Congress called my name, I say now, who do
Lindy is number 2.
you think you're fooling?
Gives a 7.
Right out the presidential seal. I'm up on the presidential podium.
Point work on the last 2. Point work on my last fish. Number 3 in the boat. Still in the boat. Man, way out here. Number 6. Lindy is number 4. That gives us 10 fish. All little, but 10 fish.
Searching.
Good one. Good one.
Look what's from.
Oh, look there on the X bait. Let me get my phone.
Like X.
Let me get my phone. Lindy had just brought that one in on the new bruiser bait,
The bait X.
soon to be released. How are you fishing that, Lindy?
On top, splashing. Should be on the GoPro, hopefully. Look at that. I threw it over in that corner.
Problem is all inside your head, she said to me.
Big splash.
The answer
Big
is
splash.
easy if you take
Good
it
stuff.
logically.
Your number
I'd like
5.
to help you in your struggle to be free. There must be 50 ways to leave.
Oh, that guy coming.
She She said it's really not my habit to intrude. Furthermore, I hope my meaning won't be lost or misconstrued. But I'll repeat myself.
Lindy is number
At the
5.
risk of being crude, there must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. You just slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy. Just get yourself free. Hop on the bus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key and get yourself free.
Number 7.
Ooh, slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy. Just listen to me. Hop on the bus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off
Good
the
one.
key
Holy crap.
and get yourself free.
Yeah.
She said it grieves
I
me
had to
so
fight
see
for that,
you in
dude.
such pain. I wish
Phew.
there was something I
There's
could
my
do
number 8,
to
and I'm
make you
getting it on the
smile again.
SWC Smoky Go.
Appreciate that. And would you please explain about the 50
Wow.
ways?
Didn't see that coming.
She said, why don't we both just sleep on it tonight?
Thanks,
I
baby.
believe in the morning you begin to see the light. And then she kissed me, and I realized she probably was right. There must be 50 ways to leave your love.
Yes.
Looky there. Even little ones will jump on that big old bait.
Bait X.
Bait X.
Look at that.
My number 9.
9.
Number 6. I got 9. And we're getting the babies.
First thing I remember, I was lying in my bed. Couldn't have been
My
no more
number
than
10,
1 or 2.
finally. What a slow bite to death.
And I remember there was a
Number 10.
radio coming from the room next door. And my mother laughed the way some ladies do. When it's late in the evening and the music seeping through. The next thing I remember, I am walking down the street. I'm feeling alright. I'm with my boys and with my troops, yeah. And down along the avenue, some guys were shooting pool, and I heard the sound of a cappella groups, yeah. Singing late in the evening, and all the girls out on the stoops, yeah. Then I learned to play some lead guitar. I was underage in this funky bar, and I stepped outside and smoked myself a J. And when I come back to the room, everybody just seemed to move, and I turned